In this video, we'll show you how to install horror mods on Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, so if you want to turn Minecraft into a horror games with creepy mobs, dark environments, and random jump scares, there are two ways you can install mods yourself or use a full mod pack. So in this video, I'm gonna use CurseForge client to make things easier. So first, you can open up your browser and go to curseforge.com. Just type it in or search CurseForge and this website will appear on the top. So once you're here, you wanna go to the top right and click Get CurseForge app. And then you want to download the standalone version and it will prompt the download. So just save it somewhere on your PC. By default, it will go to your downloads folder. Hit save and the download will start. Before we continue, thanks to Apex Hosting for sponsoring this video. If you're planning to play modded Minecraft with friends, Apex Hosting just makes everything way easier. You don't have to deal with port forwarding, server files. You can install mod pack with one click, manage everything from a control panel, and your server runs 24/7 without relying on your own PC. It's also a lot more stable for heavier mods. So if you're interested, just click the link below. And once you're here, you can scroll down and select your server RAM, for example, 6GB of RAM, click order, and then you're going to complete the order. You can select a server version. There is vanilla Minecraft and also horror Minecraft as well. So just select one of them and then select your server location, the closest one to you, and then finish the order. After you complete the order, you can check your email and log into the panel. Here you'll have your server IP address, which you can share to your friends for them to join. It's really simple, so if you're interested, check the link in the description or pinned comment. Now just go to your downloads folder and open up the installer and install CurseForge on your PC. Simply click next, choose the installation folder, and accept the terms of use and privacy policy. It will start installing. Alright, after CurseForge is installed, open up CurseForge app and go to the Minecraft section. If you don't have it, you can click the add icon and scan or manually add Minecraft. So as you can see here, under my mod packs, I already installed some. So for you to install horror mod packs, you can go to the search bar and type in horror, and you'll see a bunch of mod packs that you can install and play. So for example, this one, Horrorland 2 by Flash. Now to download the mod pack, you can click install on the right and it will start installing right away. So just wait a bit. You can click on the title to go to the page and wait for it to finish. In the meantime, I'll show you how to install horror mods on vanilla Minecraft. So if you go back to my mod packs and then click create, select your Minecraft version. Let's select 120.1 and then select your mod loader and hit create. So now you'll have your own custom vanilla Minecraft. Just click on it and then to install the mods, you can hit add content and search for the mods like that, and you can just click install like that. It's really simple. So you can install as many as you want, but make sure everything is compatible. Now we can go back and wait for the Horrorland 2 to finish. Alright, it's done to launch this horror mod pack. So let's do that. Alright, we're in the game now and let's create a new world. And there we go. I hope you don't play this at 3 AM. But yeah, if you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.